town this way, right?
Old town. This is the old town.
Okay.
Old bazaar.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Sorry, black market I sign it.
Huh? No, no, no.
No, don't buy. Just asking. I am no danger. Hi, how are you? My wife. My wife working this shop. Duty free.
Okay.
Airport. Black market. Look, lady. Coco Chanel.
No, that's fine.
What is your favorite?
We cannot carry it because we're gonna travel by
You know
yacht.
how much? You know how much?
No, we can carry.
No,
10
the
pounds.
thing,
10 pounds. Ask the price.
the problem is we can't carry the liquid. Thank you.
Sorry, no. No, sorry. Thank you. Mosque, no?
Oh my god. This is like a village. Yeah. Another village. This is like Mike and JJ village. What is Mikey and JJ? Stop talking about the Mikey and JJ. Look, Sweden. The blue and the yellow.
Yes.
The harbor. Yes. Please tell me it's cheap. Okay, just only one, like, choose the cheapest ride. And then we'll go, like, smallest boat. Oh my god. Looky, bro, that's the seaside. And the snow. I want to go to the boat! I want to go inside the boat.
Thank you.
45 minutes, 2 hour boat is ready.
45?
How much for the family? Family like 2 adults, 3 children.
You need just for your boat or you need with the public?
Public.
Public 350 lira one person. And for you 800 lira altogether.
Ibra, come.
800 lira. Okay.
100 lira for him and free.
Okay.
Understand me?
Okay. Can you consider some price?
It's good price, my friend. Yeah.
Come, Daddy, let's go.
Maybe 600?
600 not enough money, my friend. 800 good price for you. This price over there. Have a
So
look.
is the boat will be like this? Which type of boat?
Little bit bigger than this one.
Okay. 600.
Daddy, let's
600 I can't, my friend. Yeah. 800 for you.
Daddy.
No ice cream. Okay?
It's a fun. He's playing a game. Cooperate with him.
Okay? Okay. No. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Brother,
Thank
which
you.
one? Come.
Can you carry it? Carry it!
Why? Do you want to take it home? Huh?
Yeah.
What about in aeroplane?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come, Daddy, carry
Yeah,
it.
but we cannot take in the aeroplane.
I know.
You know?
Carry it. Carry
No,
it.
this cat has mommy, daddy. Okay, they will cry. Okay, they will say, "Why is my mommy? Why is my daddy?"
What is that? Where?
They are here. This is his home.
Here?
Yeah, somewhere here.
Who, you?
His whole family lives here.
Can I touch it?
Yeah.
buy cat food. Quickly buy cat food.
Alçak yüksek tepede kadina bekletme beni.
Good collection.
চাটা কেমন খেতে?
Good. খাই দেখো।
ইব্রা বেশি টায়ার্ড মা? বেশি টায়ার্ড?
Yeah.
Look at them.
Oh wow! I didn't see a horse before.
Camel too.
Can I ride one?
Oh my god. It's not free. It's not free. They can kick you from the. How much?